Hello everyone, this is another interesting geological cross section that I have selected for you. So we will learn something from this cross section too. So how we are starting? Okay, which one is older and which one is the younger one? We have to decide in the sequence. Okay, so for that, okay, we first go with the faults. There are two faults I have seen: this fault and this fault, S and Z fault. If we look at asphalt, it is not extending above the G bed, okay? Not extending above the G bed, okay? Okay. And if we look at this Z bed, it is extending up to and cut the G bed too. So it means S is younger than, S is older than Z, okay? Now we are going with the intrusions, okay? First thing we have understand, and now other things is uh, we have this intrusion K and this intrusion F. Which one is the older one, and which one is the older from the that fault we have identified? Okay, if we look at this fault Z, it cut the granite also. Okay, and it cut the granite and displaced the granites here. Okay, so it means this X is older than the Z fault. Okay, and if we look at this granite, it is also displaced. Look at this intrusion, it is also displaced by this fault. Okay, how we can say that this fault, this intrusion is older than this? How we can say that this intrusion is older, this intrusion is older? Okay, if we look at this intrusion is not extending above this G, but this intrusion is extending up to M. But this fault is also extended up to M, but it is not extending up. Okay, and the same is for the screen intrusion F, but this fault is older than the intrusion because it cut and displaced this intrusion. Okay, and in between this intrusion not extended means intruded in G, but this is intruded in G, and so it is younger. Okay, so up to this much it is clear. Now, now Now we are able to that there is an unconformity and one more unconformity is here. Okay, there are two unconformities present. Okay, now so now this granite is older and this strata is also older, but it lies below the unconformity. So which one is the older bed? Okay, either this granite is older or this strata is older. Okay, D E N. Okay, and there is a fault. Now we have to decide which one is the older one. Okay. Either this fault is older, this granite intrusion is older, or this strata is older. Okay. If we look at this strata is intruding in D E, and that is folded already. Okay. That full strata is already folded and intruding into it. So it means this intrusion is granite body is younger than the DEN. Okay. The older one is now because so now D E and why I put D as a older, because if we look at this part we are able to see a syncline. Okay, in the syncline we generally get which kind of rock? Younger rock. Okay, so that's why I put D as a older one and as a younger one. Okay, now this intrusion and this fault, which one is older? Okay, it's generally why. Okay, we look at this part. Okay, here is the answer for that one. Which one is older? We look at this part. Okay, here that granite is displaced by this fault. Okay, the granite is displaced by this fault. This is the how much displacement here to here it has been displaced. Okay, okay, and this granite is not intruding into this side. If it is younger than this, fault, it is intruding this side. Younger than this fault, it is not intruding. Okay, because if fault is means older, then obviously it will go into this side. Okay, but it displaced by the displaced the granite. Okay, so it means S is younger than this intrusion. Okay, but before that, folding took place in this strata. Folding took place. Okay, these beds are deposited in basin and then folding took place. Then this intrusion X took place. Then this fault S developed. Okay, what kind of fault it is? It is a normal. Okay, now after as what is going to happen with the strata? Okay, the whole part is uplifted and erosion took place. And erosion took place. And there is such no name mentioned in the for that erosion, erosional plane. So I give the name, one. Okay. Second erosion one took place. And this is we call as unconformity. Here there is an angular relationship. Then we can say that this at this part up to this part there is a angular conformity, and if we go this side, we are getting sedimentary rock just above the granitic body. Okay, igneous body. So what kind of unconformity? Okay, just mention in the comment box. Now, after that erosion, and there is again the basin is submerged, and diffusion took place. The diffusion G and M took place after that, because as such there is no breakage, and GM took place. Okay, why I put B is literal. V is not positive, just above, means just after the M, because these intrusions are not extending in B, and this fault is also not extending in B. So it means the B valley deposit after these two things were happened. Okay, after that. And erosion eroded this fault as well as the above strata lying above the M, because this boundary is not that deep. Okay, now in between these two intrusions, okay, this fault and intrusion, okay, fault cutted the intrusion, so it means fault is younger. Okay, so after M then F took place, and above F we can put that fault. Okay, what kind of fault it is? If we look at this fault, this side is going. If we want to identify which kind of fault it is very difficult to find within the granite. Okay, so if we look at this part, we can easily say this is a normal fault. Okay, it is also again a normal fault. Okay, because normal faults help the deepening of the basin. Okay, now after the after this there is an erosional plane. there is no numbering, so I put 2 for this. Okay. So after that, uncomfortable 2 will form. Again, the question is uplift. Okay. So what kind of unconformity it is? Here it is sedimentary. Above beds are also sedimentary. So what kind of unconformity it is? Mention in the comment box. Okay. So after the erosion, then bed B will take place. Depletion of, again the patient is summer and there is depletion of B. If you look at this part, there is again a very this is not developed. Means from that we can say there is an erosion took place, but we are unable to say that because as such we are here we have intrusion, that intrusion are going up, and we can say that uh, there is an conformity. Here we can say that there is an conformity because this plane is not that smooth. Okay, after the B there is an conformity. I'm not giving any name. I want to give you can three. Okay, because if it is not an conformity, this bed is not developed in this way. Okay, it has to be a little bit smooth or parallel to the lower bedding. Okay, so hope you learned something from this video because 2 3 things are very interesting here. Okay, that's incline, which one is the older and which one is the younger one, how we are deciding from this incline, why this is incline. Okay, so in this way we have to interpret the such type of cross sections. Okay, and uh, overall, if you have any doubt, okay, and if you have any other question, just put in the comment box. I will try to explain, and as much information that I have, I will try to share with you peoples. Okay, so try to share this video with your friends so that they can also get the benefit. Okay, thank you.